What is up, guys? Today we're going to take a different direction. We're going to do some storytelling. I'm going to take you through a journey of a lesson I learned from my 6-year-old son. All right, but before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about making money online, internet, affiliate, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you get that journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. All right, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Run over there, hit that like button if you feel like you're getting some valuable content from this video, and hit that little notification bell if you like to get daily videos like this. All right, guys, so if you have any comments, please post them below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about today's content, post it below. If you do happen to subscribe, tell me you subscribe and I'll give you a shout out. All right, so let's get on with today's video. So I was going through some of my old my emails. My son is now 8, and I was going through some emails, and I had an email, lessons from my 6-year-old son. I was like, wow, I can't remember even writing that email. And it was one of the very first emails I went into with storytelling in my email list. So I want to share that story with you today. So my son was 6 years old. We're throwing a baseball. So he started playing baseball at 5. He wasn't real good at throwing the baseball or catching the baseball yet. So we're out back. We were doing this every single day for about 2 weeks. We were throwing the ball, and all of a sudden he caught it. And I could see in his eye, he was so excited. He was like, I caught it. And he threw it back to me, and he threw it right to my glove. And it's the first time he ever did that also, like a nice solid throw to my glove. And he did them both back to back. And at that moment, I saw it in his eyes how excited he was that he actually did something that he practiced over and over and over. And he didn't give up, and he actually did it. And I seen him, he was so excited about it, right? And when that happened, I was so proud of him, and I was thinking, wow, that little guy was so consistent and motivated and driven that he learned how to throw the ball and catch it. So I had an epiphany that day, and I was like, wow, that's exactly what everybody tells us in life and in internet marketing, right? Consistency, consistency, consistency. Take action. Always take imperfect action, always trumps waiting to take perfect action. All these things, right? So, guys, what I learned from this was consistency always makes the difference. And that goes for us in affiliate marketing or digital marketing, whatever it is, right? Consistency. Take day in, day out. Don't just consume data, take action. All right? So I'm going to tell you a story about myself when I first got into affiliate marketing and what my mentor at the time, he struggled to get me to do, right? So I was learning how to do a sales funnel, how to do follow-up emails and opt-in page and all this stuff, right? And I was so overwhelmed. I was reading and consuming of how to do all this stuff, watching videos. And my mentor was like, Zeb, what are you doing? You wasted 2 months and you haven't even sending traffic to an opt-in page yet. What are you doing? And I was like, I need to learn how to do it. He's like, you're not going to learn until you do it. So that night I sat down and I made an opt-in page. And he said, Zeb, make 2 opt-in pages. Make them slightly different. And we're going to run traffic to them tomorrow. So you need to have this done. So I sat down, I typed them out. I created 2 opt-in pages. We ran traffic to them. We sent that traffic from the opt-in page straight to a sales page. And he was like, all right, we're going to do this over about 5 iterations. We're going to pick the best one, and winner is which one we're going to use. And finally, about 5 through, we had one that converted about 30%, which is very good. So the next thing, he's like, okay, now you got to build a bridge page, make a video. And I was like, I'm not doing a video. Screw that. I would put a picture and write some text. He said, okay, let's do that. So we went from opt-in page to this crappy bridge page of a picture of me and some text telling them what to do in the sales page. So I did get a front-end sale, but it took about 500 clicks to get that front-end sale. And then I was sending all my traffic to one email, a welcome email. I didn't send out any broadcasts after that. So He was like, okay, Zeb, we have the beginning stage of the sales funnel. We don't have no follow-ups, and you got this crappy bridge page. Just do a video. Do one today. We're going to put it on there tomorrow. We're going to drive traffic. So I did this crappy video on my iPhone. I think it was the iPhone 4 at the time. And I did this video, and it was so crappy. It took me about 30 freaking tries to get it right. And I did it, put it up there. It was cheesy, and drove traffic to it the next day. And about a week later, we noticed that there was like a 50% increase on the click rate on that button to my sales page. And I got out of the other method, only got one front end sale. I ended up getting 3. And now he's like, okay, Zeb, we got 3. Now we got to do follow-up emails. You got to learn how to write copy. And I was like, copy? Why you keep saying copy? He was like, that's how you write. So he gave me some email swipes. He's like, do not copy these. Write personally what you want. So I started writing all these emails. I wrote 30 emails, and it took me a week. And I wrote 30 email sequence. So I started driving traffic, and I was driving traffic, and I had the whole thing going, right? I had my opt-in page, my bridge page, my sales page going, my follow-ups. And what I realized happening, I'd get a couple here and there, you know, maybe out of 200 clicks, I'd get a front-end sale. But what would happen over like, the magic spot was like 6 to like 22, I would get sales on the back end. And it was like, wow, I'm getting sales on the back end. He was like, exactly. Now, you wasted 2 months consuming all this stuff when you could have just been doing this, and this would have been 2 months ago. So I sit here and think about consistency and taking imperfect action, how it always trumps waiting for perfect action. And that's so true, and that's the lessons learned of the day. All right. So I hope you got some valuable content out of this video. Please hit that like button if you feel like it's valuable. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell to get some daily videos like this every single day. And let me know if you feel like this video is something that you would like to see more of, me just telling stories and talking to you guys, because that's something I would like to do. If you have any questions about today's video, please post it below and I will reply. As always, peace out, and I will see you on tomorrow's video.